children, 4th standard English subject, The Little Big Man poem, exercise part we are going to solve today. So choose the correct option to complete the sentences from the poem. First one, I am a dash child. I am a little child. Second one, it is late, bring your books, slate or pencil. That is slate. Bring your slate. I shall dash myself, dress, bath, groom. I shall dress myself. What are you about, dash child? Good, obedient, naughty. Naughty child. I must give dash to my nurse. Gold, silver, lead. That is silver. Sixth one, he can give dash to whom he likes. Toys, books, money. That is money. Yes. Move on to the B part, that is answer these questions. There are 5 questions we are going to solve now. The first question, answer these questions. The first question, the child assumes that he is small now, but when he grows up, he will be like his father. What impression of his father do you got from the poem? ಚೈಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನು ಇವಾಗ ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಹಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ to earn for his family. His father seems to be a good, responsible man for his child, aspires to become one like him. So our father ತುಂಬ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ದುಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೋತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ದಟ್ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The child talks about school. What dreams does he have? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಏನನ್ನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. He dreams of not having any lesson and not studying anymore, as he thinks he will be as big or old like his father. ಏನನ್ನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನಿವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನಸನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಫೇರ್? ಫೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾತ್ರೆ. ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಫೇರ್, ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ who will come rushing towards him. His uncle will show his concern and tell the child that he will get lost. His uncle will want to carry him, but the child will refuse as he thinks he is as big as his father. ಅವನು ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅವ್ರ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅಂಕಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ನೀನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವನೇನಂತಾನೆ, ನೋ ನಾನೀಗ ಫಾದರ್ ಥರ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fourth one, the child's father will return home in October. What permission will he give to child? ಫಾದರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? when the child's father will return home in October, he will allow his child to buy clothes as the child will be grown up then. ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗ್ತೀಯಲ್ವ, ಆವಾಗ ನಿನಗೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನೀನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಸಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೇಸಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫ್ರೇಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು write down. So first one, I am big as my father. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫಾದರ್ ಥರ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So in the poem, I am grown up person like my father. I am not small like any child or any kid. I am old enough to do my work and take all decisions. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಲ್ಲೆ, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. My master will wonder. ನನ್ನ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ವಂಡರ್ ಆದರು. So the phrases will be my master will be surprised. Third one, where the crowd is thick. It means where there are many people or where there is a dense crowd. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಥಿಕ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Fourth one, what are you about? It means what are you up to? What are you doing? Fifth one, he is grown up. It means he is a big individual. He is not small. Sixth one, I must give silver to my nurse. Answer, that is, I must give money or coins to my nurse. Here is understanding words. The concept is suffix. Okay, that is suffix means we have to use that adjectives. It forms as a adjectives. Okay, some words add with some full, less, able or all. It becomes as a adjective like wonderful, wonderful, rest, less, remark, able, magical. Okay, these are suffixes which we add to the words. The words becomes that adjectives. So here are some example children. With the help of these suffixes, we have to complete the following, filling the blanks. Pollution is dash for health. Harm, harmless, harmful. Pollution is harmful for health. His behavior was shameless. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. Sumedha is wearing fashionable earrings. We were looking forward to an enjoyable day. A butterfly has colorful wings. Okay, next, that is, the soldier was brave and fearless. The village far away from the city was calm and, that is, peaceful. Okay, so here is a listening part. Listen to the passage, sequence the statements in the correct order. Raman met Sam when he was 8 years old. Then Raman was a shy kid, but soon he and Sam become good friends. They both were fond of reading. They both loved the same kind of stories and exchanged their storybooks. Okay, then they now spend their weekends together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the sequences. Okay, so here are the speaking part. Whenever we get surprised, we express in this ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆದರೆ ನಾವೇನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡಬೇಕು, I am shocked. It's unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Pronunciation part. Read these words aloud. Note the KN sounds. Knit, knob, known. Knee, knot, knowledge. Knife, no, knuckle.